In an Extreme Rules match, it's hard to predict what will happen, but there will be chaos. I can assure you of that.
The thing I love about Extreme Rules is we're guaranteed something from out of the blue. So outside,
these two trading one blow after another. Ooh!
It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here. Slugging away with everything they've got.
Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up. I understand getting yourself fired up, but he needs to stay on his opponent. And a well-executed move we just saw there.
Just ruthless. Look, the most intelligent competitor in a battle knows that there are many roads to victory, including the low road. Got him in the corner now.
Ooh, and he manages to reverse.
No escape from these punches.
To the back of the neck, what a blow!
Good night.
And the forearm smash.
The Tribal Chief. And that'll put an abrupt end to his little one-man show.
Not quite there yet.
Yeah, seemed to be just testing the waters a bit there.
Right in the breadbasket.
Looks like that disrupted the Rock's typically dazzling style.
Roman not backing down at all.
When you're in a no disqualification match, it's essential that you unleash your inner brutality. This is no time to hold back and act like the rules still matter.
It's the truth. This is a match condition you have to lean into, or you are in for a world of hurt.
And the Rock is getting dismantled.
The Rock has to devise a new plan here.
What a blow!
Good night.
Arm smash after the stomps.
Reigns laying down the gauntlet for his opponent.
They got their opponent in the fight. Uh-oh! Got out of the way.
Punch lands.
Chess match of counters and reversals happening here.
What a headbutt. Vicious. Roman cannot be stopped here.
And Roman might just have more in store.
The Rock with a great dodge.
Oh, what a right.
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
Ooh, whoa.
The Tribal Chief taking a moment to compose himself.
Looks more like taking a moment to gloat.
And he comes in under the ropes now. Punch!
Back and forth we go.
Ooh! Just teeing off with that fight forever vibe. Back and forth, neither one giving up any ground. This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders.
Ooh!
Both absolutely drained, but both
no more holding back. Going all out now. That shot ends things.
Oh my, sent flying.
And now the Rock is being dismantled.
And the Rock is being dominated here.
Got him on that turnbuckle. Oh, Rock answers back.
And the Rock is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
But Rock has to keep the pedal at full throttle while he has the opening.
Getting carried to a vulnerable position here.
Roman Reigns saying this is not the WWE Universe. This is Roman's universe.
He gets back into the ring.
From way up.
Diving double axe handle. Carried in a jeopardizing position here.
All the way down. Ooh, what a nasty kick. Kicks to the cranium of their opponent.
From the top.
Oh my, apron sentai.
Readjusting the furniture. We know how this ends.
The hood of the announce table just ripped off here on the monitors as well.
Some bad intentions here, guys. Snapmare takedown.
Reigns really having his way right here.
Reigns is picking up steam.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
He has a kendo stick in hand, and this place just turned into South Swanson Street.
Reversal.
The Rock finally finding an answer to that onslaught.
Now's a chance for The Rock to get back into this match.
And the Tribal Chief really having to acknowledge the offense directed right at him at this point.
Extreme Rules takes an intense toll on the body. The longer this match goes, the worse it gets.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Getting dangerously close to our announce table. Of all the toys underneath the ring, he just had to go with the one that ensures splinters. Cut with a clothesline. Hooked up. Uh-oh. Bottom through the table. Showing no regard for his opponent's well-being. Using him like a hammer saw to break the table in half.
Clearly holding nothing back. Looking to do lasting damage. The whole WWE Universe is smelling what The Rock is cooking. Boom! Uh-oh. Don't bring the fight over here.
Better clear out, guys.
Got out of the way, but can he capitalize? From behind. Back suplex.
And crucial juncture now for The Rock.
The Rock showing that he knows exactly what to do in a taxing match like this.
Stop after stop after stop.
On a step ahead of The Rock.
That's mounted with punches and
a stomp to the gut.
Catches the kick. Into a dragon screw.
Game changer.
able to make a timely escape.
Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
Oh no, come on, don't use a sledgehammer. Think of the children.
Unloads with the boot.
Oh man, adding more injury to injury with that hammer. Rock sensed that was coming.
Spine on the pine.
The Rock going on the attack with unrivaled confidence.
Proving why he alone is the great one.
Thwarts the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection.
Right across the throat.
Gentlemen, this right here is more than a big fight feel. Neither man is letting up until that bell sounds.
This is incredible. I don't even know how The Rock and Reigns.
Suplex off the outside.
A vicious suplex to the floor.
Everyone look out. This never ends well.
I can't believe what we just saw.
I can't believe that didn't miss. Oh no. Driving down with the sledgehammer.
We are witnessing a malicious string of attacks right now.
Delivered into the barricade.
Counter. He knew just what to do. That hit connects from Roman Reigns.
Oh, that is going to leave a mark.
The Rock hoping to head this attack off at the pass.
The Rock's got to find a way to defend himself.
Watch out. Tossing those steel steps like they're nothing. Another vicious attack to his head.
That's the kind of offense that can ruin your whole balance.
He averts the offense.
Boom! Face first. Reigns is wasting no motion.
Roman seems tapped into his endless reserve of strength.
Oh! Oh, and he slammed his face right into the barricade. Thrown out of ringside and back to the mat. Roman's shoulders are down. And he fights it off.
He just won't give up.
Taken to the floor, and he's got no worries about the count.
Oh, what a power slam.
And he tosses him back in now.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched. And his core remains the focus here.
Every blow taking more of his breath away. Deep into the match. This could end it.
Breaks the close count.
Obviously still has some fight left. Incoming.
Sky high.
Senton from the apron.
This battle is filled into the ringside area and is drawing dangerously close to our table.
Escapes out of that attack.
With the lariat. And listen to this place.
It's deafening in here, Michael.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Draped across the top rope.
Clubbing forearm.
Oh, man.
Up high.
Rock moves in the nick of time. The Rock digging deep into the playbook with the sharpshooter. And it's just too much. Has to submit.
Our knee is being torn apart now.
The Rock with some good timing here.
He is obviously taking way too much pleasure in this right now.
My goodness, the human skeleton shouldn't have to endure a smash like that.
Any one of these attacks could cause irreparable damage, but I don't think you can come back from this many.
And he gets delivered back into the ring. Placed against the turnbuckles. Quick thinking by The Rock.
High-level ability being shown with each. Here it comes.
Rock bottom. Picture perfect.
The Rock reformulating his game plan. It was not enough to end this, so he'll have to move on to plan B. Big knee to stop the maneuver.
He isn't taking this line down anymore.
Could be the tide turner The Rock desperately needed. From the top.
Oh my, apron senton. He just flipped the script there.
Oh, quick way to respond with the reversal.
Spine out of pine. An absolutely electrifying attack from The Rock.
Just trying to pound their opponent into the ground even further.
One wicked attack after another.
The Rock looking to put Roman down.
And he gets set back into the ring. Just bashing them with that hammer.
Oh, predicted what was coming. Golly. And the energy in here is raising the hairs on the back of my neck. Oh, to the stomach.
And he gets directed into the corner. Superman punch by Reigns. That's got to be the end right there.
Makes the cover. Finally ends it. And all the bloodshed. Perhaps worth it now.
Here is your winner, the OT.
Boom!
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now.
Oh, man! And he slides him back to the mat.
Sidewalk slam! Almost drove him through the